sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear.
You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you will never see me coming. You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you will never see me.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you will never see me coming. You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E.
Nice chain, bro.
Dude got the truck jack out here.
This ain't gonna work, Gordon. Thanks, Gordo.
What is the
I got the wrong fucking adapters. That's what's fucking wrong, Gordo.
Why, man?
Fucking ask me, you idiot. The dude at fucking Polaris fucked me.
Yeah, he sure did.
See why he works for Polaris and I can't help. Yeah, they sell everything.
She acting the hoe for me. I never care about who noticed me. I'm like, yes man. What the fuck do you know about mine? Or maybe they focus because I'm running in the overseas. All of my bitches, they running my packs for me. Try to take a oath, I'ma just tax a fee.
I just want to let everybody know
We at MudBugz!